I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. This is a quick look at the Noco GC018 adapter. And so this is basically taking battery screw terminals. It's got a fuse, and then it's adapting those to a car cigarette lighter style adapter. And you can see it in action over here. This is my battery pack for my off-grid solar panel system. I've got the little eyelets on the battery terminals. They're coming out from under my box here into that fuse and then up to this, and I've got my cigarette lighter adapter plugged into a charger here. But you could plug anything that would normally go into that cigarette lighter or accessory adapter from your car and connect it directly to a battery. In a solar panel system like this, if you're using a car battery for camping, for example, or boating, any situation where you have a car battery and you want to be able to connect this up and get power. Obviously, just use caution when you're connecting it. Make sure you're comfortable working with any kind of electrical equipment like that. But it's fairly straightforward. Just screw those battery terminals on and it adapts it so you can plug in your accessories directly to that car battery. That's the Noco, again, GC018. It's a 12-volt plug socket with eyelet terminals is the official term.